Right in the middle of downtown Phoenix is one of my favorite places to explore. And it's perfect for a day of discovery, no matter how old you are. It is the Arizona Science Center. And trust me, it is not just for science buffs. It is for anyone who has ever been curious about how the world works.
We are located in downtown Phoenix. We have been here for 40 years. It is a Antoine Predock building, so we do have a historic building. We have 4 different levels, hands-on experiments, hands-on science, and so much to do.
And she's not kidding. This place is packed. There's a planetarium, a 5-story theater, and 4 levels of exhibits that let you touch, try, slide, build, and explore your way through science.
So on level 1, we have our famous stomach slide. We also have this really cool exhibit right now from ASU called Mission Future, all about Arizona's next 20 years. Level 2 is our Get Charged Up area. Level 3 is our Forces of Nature. And level 4 is our solar wheel. So it's all about solar power.
And speaking of things that keep evolving, there is always something new to see. Traveling exhibits keep the Science Center fresh, surprising, and full of the unexpected.
The exhibit we're going to walk you through today is The Power of Poison, so it is all about venom and toxicology. We have had Pompeii here, we have had mummies, and in the future, it's always a surprise what's going to come through, so you got to come check it out.
From ancient mysteries to futuristic possibilities, the center truly has something for everyone. And the best part? You don't just look at science, you play with it.
We really think that the best way kids learn is through playing. So at the Science Center, you can come and play, you can touch everything, you can explore.
And it's not just for kids. We grown-ups get our own science fun too.
We have our Science with a Twist, which is our adult after nights. And those are 21 and over. We bring out the booze and we bring out all the really fun adult science that, we can't show the kids. So.
Whether you're coming with your kids or planning a grown-up night out, they're all about making sure everyone feels welcome.
We are actually a Pal Pack place, which means we offer these little backpacks called Pal Packs, and within it are headphones, fidget toys, so if you are maybe overstimulated or you need something to keep your mind off of what's going on around you, you can get into this bag and you can take it out and use that while you're at the center. And then a lot of the fidget toys you get to take home. They're 3D printed in our Create Maker space, but we really try to give everybody that inclusive experience that's for them.
And don't worry, you won't go hungry while you are exploring. I grabbed an iced coffee at Market Cafe, but you can get everything from pizza to salads.
We have this really cool cotton candy machine that looks like a robot, and you can watch your cotton candy being made. So popular.
The Arizona Science Center isn't just about science. It's about discovery, imagination, and being inspired to look at the world a little differently. And there is no better time than now to be curious.
So it's really important to question the world around you. So when you bring them to the Science Center and they are able to explore and they're able to be curious, that's going to allow them to ask questions, and those questions are going to lead them to make better life choices.